Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation. And for today's vlog, I'm in Mirror Valley at Havila Township, located in Antipolo City. So tara, puntahan natin ang Mirror Valley and tingnan natin kung ano ba yung mga pinagbago for January 2024. So yung mga kabahay, yan na ang main entrance ng Mirror Valley at Havila Township. So naka-landscape na and may marker na, Mirror Valley. So ito po ang Havila Link Road. Doon po is papuntang Mission Hills and dito naman po is papuntang Havila Main Gate Cabrera Road, Taytay. So tara, pasukin natin ng Mirror Valley. So yan, may guard na. And pagpasok po is marami ng mga under construction na bahay. So yan, ito yung Mirror Valley Main Road. So for Mirror Valley, meron tayong two house model for viewing. Ang isa po is yung dress top and yung isa naman is yung actual na for turnover. Fully completed na parehas yung dalawa. So yung mga kabahay, so yan ang two of our house model in Mirror Valley. So ito po yung dress top, yung corner, and yung isa naman po is yung production unit namin. So it's called Brahms Model Single Attach. So yung floor area nito is around 93 and yung lot area naman po average is 112 square meter. So this block po is mga house and lot package ang available. So it's facing east. And dito naman is ganun din. So this is block 8 wherein available din po dito is mga house and lot package and it's facing west. So this road again is Mirror Valley Main Road. So yun. So yun, kung mapapansin nyo, marami na under construction and marami na rin pong tapos. And ang alam ko, meron na pong mga nakalipat dito ng mga homeowners kasi meron na rin kuryente and tubig. So again, yung team ng Mirror Valley is modern minimalist and nature team din ang team niya kasi meron siyang central park na almost 1 hectare mahigit. So yun guys, nakita nyo na ang Mirror Valley updates for January 2024. Nandun ang main entrance, doon po tayo galing. So yun mga kabahay, again, I'm in Mirror Valley at Antipolo City inside Havila. So it's developed by Pilinbas Land. We're in dito sa Mirror Valley, may mga available kami mga pre-selling, RFO, house and lot package, and lot only. So kung naghahanap kayo ng house and lot only in Antipolo City, so please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Again, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation and in-house lead broker of Pilinbas Land. So I'm open for site viewing po. So see you and thank you for watching and God bless.